You can get real results from conversations with the Teamwork Slack integration, allowing you to take actions from conversations, stay up to date on project progress, and more. And of course, setting up and using the integration couldn't be easier. When setting up the integration, you first need to enable the Slack integration at site level. Just navigate to the Integrations tab on your site settings and toggle on the integration. Next up, you need to enable the integration on your own profile. Just select View Profile, Integrations, and Enable Slack. Follow the prompts in the pop-out window and select your Slack installation and a default channel where Teamwork should post messages to. Once you're happy and you've clicked Complete, then the integration is all set up and ready to go. In Slack, you can easily use / commands to interact with Teamwork. To see the list of available commands, just type /tw help. Here you can see that you can do things like set up project notifications in a Slack channel, add links to projects, add tasks to projects, and configure the settings for your integration. Firstly, let's add a task using the /tw task command. Once this is entered, you'll be met with a modal to help you fill out the task, including project, task list, task name, and description. However, you can speed up this process by using Teamwork shortcode. For instance, if you add the task name, exclamation points for priority, at a user to assign them the task, and insert dates into square brackets, then all of this data will be used to further fill out your task in Teamwork. Once your task is added, you can then easily follow the link to see the task directly in Teamwork. Next up, let's quickly set up a Slack channel as a project channel by using the /tw project command. Just select Set Project and choose the project. Now, whenever this project is updated, for instance, when a task is added, you'll be able to see that task directly in this channel. And of course, as well as being able to add content via / commands, you can also easily just click the options dropdown on any Slack message and add as a comment, message, or link in Teamwork. And there we go, that's how easy it is to get real results with the Teamwork and Slack integration. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us, support@teamwork.com.